In India, 1 by 5th population is consist of adults due to lack of social and economical features. There are suffered with so many number of health problems. By providing proper healthcare services to the adolescents to improve the health of the nation. India's health goals are achievements of the Millennium Development Goals by improvement of adolescents' health. Under the adolescents' health, following programs are implemented. There are adolescents reproductive and sexual health scheme for promotion of menstrual hygiene, weekly iron folic acid supplements programs. These are the various programs implemented for improve the health of adolescents. The major interventions taken in the adolescents health programs are adolescents nutrition by giving iron and folic acid supplements to the pregnant women and also provided to the 19 years age peoples and facility based adolescents reproductive and sexual health services by establishment of adolescents friendly health clinics, information and counseling on adolescents related to sexual reproductive health and other health issues, proper maintenance of menstrual hygiene and prevention health checkups. First one is program under adolescents health program is adolescents reproductive and sexual health program ARSH. ARSH. Adolescents reproductive sexual health program is to meet the services need of adolescents and also provide routine sub-center clinics and service availability on fixed days and timings in the primary health centers and community health centers and district hospitals. The all services including promotive, preventive and curative and counseling services for adolescents, married and unmarried, girls, boys through the adolescents friendly healthy clinics. By using various types of approaches to improve the adolescents' health. There are facility based counseling services by establishment of adolescents friendly healthy clinics, counseling by dedicated ARCH and ICTC counselors, community based interventions, outreach activities, and capacity building for services providers. First one is adolescents friendly health clinics. Adolescents friendly healthy clinics are most commonly used for routine checkup for fixed days clinics in at primary level, secondary level, and tertiary level care can be provided. At present, 6,302 adolescent friendly healthy clinics are worked throughout the country and providing services, information, and more than 2.5 million adolescents are treated in the adolescents friendly healthy clinics for various problems like contraceptive provisions, management of menstrual problems, respiratory tract and reproductive infections and sexually transmitted infections management and antenatal care and anemia. Second one is facility based counseling services. Counseling services for adolescents is important for providing counseling services related to nutrition, puberty, and reproductive tract infections and sexually transmitted infections prevention and contraception and delaying marriages, childbearing and related contraceptive methods, abortion services, premarital concerns and substance misuse, sexual abuses and mental health problems are counseled by recruitment and training of dedicated counselors. At present, 881 dedicated adolescents are counselors and providing comprehensive counselor services to the adolescents. In 23 states and union territories, 1439 ICTC counselors are appointed for providing sexual and reproductive health counseling to the adolescents. Outreach services. These outreach activities are conducted at schools, students, colleges, tweens clubs, vocational training centers, and during health village health nutrition days and health meals, and collaboration with other self-help groups to provide information to the adolescents for improve their health. To further strengthen the outreach activities of ARSH program of adolescents research reproductive and sexual health programs are by peer educators at village level enrolled in states and union territories. Up to till now, 83,360 peer educators are trained and providing outreach activities in adolescents reproductive and sexual health programs. Next one is capacity building through the adolescents reproductive and sexual health programs are by providing adolescent friendly healthy services by establishment of adolescent friendly healthy clinics by appointment of counselors and ICTC counselors at 5 days module including auxiliary nurse midwife ANMs and staff nurses and 3 days for medical officers for improve their skills in addressing the health needs to the adolescents. Till date, 7,224 medical officers and 19,112 staff nurses and auxiliary nurse midwife and LHVs have been trained under adolescents reproductive and sexual health programs. The next program is weekly iron and folic acid supplements. WIFS Ministry of Health and Family Welfare launched the weekly iron and folic acid supplementation program to meet the challenges in of high prevalence of and incidence of anemia occurs in the adolescents. There are having long term goals and short term goals. The long term goals are break the intergenerational cycle of anemia. The short term goals of benefits are nutritionally improve the human capital. This program is implemented in both rural areas and urban areas. It covers up to 10.25 crore adolescents by implementation of various intervention programs like administration and supervision of weekly iron and folic acid supplements, including 100 mg of iron and 500 mg of folic acid containing doses, and screening of moderate and severe anemia persons. If in case of any emergency, referral to the another centers, and providing biannual deworming albendazole 400 mg tablets for control of helminthiasis infestations, and providing information and also counseling the patients for prevention of intestinal worm infestations. The third program is menstrual hygiene scheme. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare launched a program for promotion of menstrual hygiene for adolescents having the age 10 to 19 years girls in rural areas. The major aim of menstrual hygiene scheme is providing knowledge and information about the menstrual hygiene and also providing high quality sanitary napkins and also providing proper knowledge about safe disposal of sanitary napkins by development of various schemes under menstrual hygiene scheme is promote the menstrual health in community based levels and supply of sanitary napkins to the adolescents girls at the age of 10 to 19 years and sourcing and procurement of sanitary napkins by ASHA workers and storage and distribution of sanitary napkins to the adolescent girls and training of ASHA and nodal teachers in the menstrual health, uh, safe disposal of sanitary napkins. These government pack the six napkins in a one pack. The packet is covered the label free days. These free days packages are supplied by the ASHA workers at 6 rupees for a packet cost. For distribution of free days packages to the 10 to 19 years girls, adolescent girls, there are 1 rupee given to the ASHA workers as a incentive. In the first phase, menstrual hygiene scheme covering 25% of the population, 1.5 crore girls in the age of 10 to 19 years in 115 districts of 17 states. The scheme can be providing a six sanitary napkins under National Rural Health Ministry brands of free days. These napkins are sold to the adolescent girls at for 6 rupees per pack of containing 6 napkins in a village by accredited social health activities of ASHA workers. These are the various health programs for improvement of adolescents health in rural areas and urban areas for adolescents having age 10 to 19 years, especially women's. These are the reproductive and child health programs for implement the only adolescents health.